Ukraine struck a key Russian military-industrial site on July 5th, JSC VNIIR-Progress in Cheboksary, located 1,200 kilometers from the border, according to Ukraine's general staff. The targeted facility develops Kometer antenna arrays used in Shahed drones, Iskander-K missiles, and guided aerial bombs, all critical to Russia's high-precision strikes on Ukraine. Ukrainian weapons reportedly reached the site, with local Russian outlet Astra and Telegram channels confirming explosions. Russia's defense ministry claimed it shot down 2 drones but did not confirm damage. This is the second Ukrainian strike on the facility after a June 9th drone attack caused reported fires. VNIIR-Progress is under US and EU sanctions for supporting Russia's war infrastructure. On the front line, Ukraine's top commander, Oleksandr Syrsky, warned of a renewed Russian offensive in Kharkiv Oblast, with over 60 assaults repelled in the past week.
Russian forces are trying to overwhelm us with quantity, but we must be vigilant and apply effective tactical and technological solutions to prevent the invaders from advancing.
Syrsky said, Russia is trying to overwhelm with numbers and emphasized Ukraine's need for tactical and technological superiority. He inspected unit needs and coordinated with Major General Drapety. Meanwhile, Russian air defenses shot down 4 Ukrainian drones headed for Moscow. Mayor Sergei Sobyanin said, departures at Sheremetyevo Airport were paused, causing delays. Rosaviatsia cited airspace restrictions and strong winds, temporarily halting flights in Moscow, St. Petersburg, and other cities.